Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Lunar New Year Snake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our cartoon Lunar New Year Snake. Let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making an oval for one eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another oval for the other eye. Next, I'm going to draw a circle inside each one, and then a smaller circle down here. Next, let's just go ahead and we can color in the rest of our oval shape, just so we kind of have like a little bit of like a cute look to our little eyes here. Next, starting here, we're going to make two little dots for the nose. Then we're going to make a little sad face above it. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then down and up for the mouth. Right here for the tongue, let's draw a little line that's going to go out, put a little V in there, and then bring it back. Then we're going to do a little smiley face behind the tongue. Now, starting right here for the face, let's draw a line that's just going to curve up. We're going to come around and then back to here. Then we're going to connect this line right here. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to curve here. And then we're going to make another line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve, but you can see this one was a lot shorter than this one. Next, we're going to curve this line around. And then we're going to bring this line around here. Then we're going to curve this line back to here. Now for some details, let's make little eyebrows above our snake. And then let's go ahead and let's make a little outfit on here. So let's begin by drawing a curved line here. And then we're going to make a second curved line right here. Next, I'm going to draw some skinny rectangles. We'll put about 3 of them on here. And then we're going to make a line that's just going to go right up here. And then we'll do a line here, and then a line that comes up to here. Then what we're going to do is let's curve a line here, and then let's curve a line here for like the belly of our snake. Then we can add some little curves on here, and then a few little curves here. Then let's add a little hat on top of our snake. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little curve to here. Then we're going to make a sad face on top, and then a little bump. And then we're going to go 1, 2, and 3 lines. Then let's make it look like he's holding some firecrackers. So we're going to make a little wiggly line here. Then we're going to put like a square shape here with a little line here. Then let's make a wiggly line down. And let's draw 3 rectangles on each side. They don't have to be exactly the same. And then we're going to put a little line on each one. And then we're going to make a little spark on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little cartoon snake for the Lunar New Year. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.